Good morning. Today's the day we are leaving this place, leaving this island. I've been here for 9 days, ish, roughly 9 days, living in that falling apart shack thing. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm quite sad to leave this place, to be honest. Just riding down the streets on my motorbike. I've met a lot of people here, and it's like, it's just time. You just move on. You got each other on like Instagram. And you can, go, oh yeah, it's lovely to meet you, and then you just disappear. And then you do the same thing. We're going to Bangkok now. I'm gonna meet many more people. Then we're gonna go to Vietnam. I'm gonna meet more people. So that's just how it is. Packing up, packed up nearly. Well, doesn't look like it, but we have packed up. Ish, ready to leave this place. So goodbye. Nicely decorated wall, nice fan, nice hole in the roof. It's been a great place to stay. I love it. This door has come off many a times. It's been a great place, honestly. Shame to leave it, to be honest. Three, two, one. Koh Phayam! Hey! Checkpoint Charlie! Happy birthday to you! Down there or not, so what I'm going to do is just go down there. I don't know where we are. I don't know the name of this place, but we just arrived. Our bus is in like a couple of hours time. We've got about an hour to go find some food in the market, so we're all very, very hungry. Right, might eat in this place. So this place has to offer. Yeah, pork is fine. Thank you. Khop khun khap. Right, so this meal costs about 60 baht each. Yeah. Khop khun khap. Look at this. Yeah. Don't smoke, Well, I've just arrived in Bangkok. It's about 5 in the morning. I don't think they've had sleep. I haven't had any sleep on the coach. And we've got to figure out where we're staying. Welcome to the biggest market in the world. Chang Dung.
Okay.
ขอบคุณครับ
20 baht, 20 baht.
20 baht. 20 baht. One for me. Well, that's just suddenly come out of nowhere. Woo! Oh my god. Bags are done still. Mad, isn't it?
That'll take the edge off.
Yeah. Oh, looks like God is just in time. Crikey.
Oh no, noodle soup pork. Pork. Nice. Look at the things to see.
Perfect. Popcorn cup. Right. About £1.50's worth of food. That's pretty good. Pretty good.